two, three. Plant a tree. This is to say to the people that trees are the jewelries of the earth. Together we plant a tree and make our environment clean. Honorable Chief Guest, jury member, judges, and all of you present here. Heartily congratulations to all of you present in the hall. Today I am going to put two words in front of you about importance of tree and plantation. At first, I would like to thank Sahitya Chetna Samaj for giving me such a great opportunity to speak in such a beautiful topic. First, let's know about introduction. Trees are very important to us. Trees are always ready and alert to protect us. Its importance cannot be expressed in words. Trees provide us fruits for food, wood for firewood, wood for breeding, and the support of an old man is only a wood. The beauty of nature we enjoy. The beauty of nature shows us the importance of tree and plantation. Trees provide us our life's two basic things, that is food and oxygen. During photosynthesis, trees generate enough oxygen, which helps human beings, animals, birds to breathe. As a result, our basic things are just fulfilled by the trees, and we all are totally dependent on them. This dependence shows us the importance of trees and plantation. Trees are our best friends. Sometimes trees are also known as green gold of our country. Now, let's know that why trees are important in our life. Trees. Without trees, life is not possible on the earth. We cannot deny its importance. As I told you that the factories convert harmful gases, just like sulfur dioxide and monodioxide, which is very harmful to us. But trees are whose can inhale carbon dioxide and other harmful gases, which is very useful to us, and exhale oxygen, which helps everyone to breathe. Now, let's know some advantages of the trees. Trees provide us food, fresh air, vegetables, medicine, shelter to the animals, and many other things. As I told you, in 1952, government has made forest policy, also known as One Mahotsav, was celebrated. We should celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. Without trees, life is not possible. A tree is the only key to a pollution-free environment. We can pollution-free from the environment. As I told you, that if we start planting trees in the banks of rivers, canals, so many lives can be saved. It's the responsibility of trees to provide us oxygen, fresh air, and shelter to the wildlife. At last, I would like to conclude my speech by last two words. Trees are very important to us. We should stop cutting trees. As I told you that with life, we want water, oxygen, and trees. These three things are very important for a life. So, the main source of water and oxygen is trees. So, we should encourage people to plant trees and plant more and more trees. And we should stop cutting trees. Trees come in our youth from birth till death, as I know you all. So, as I told you that green nation is also known as wealthy nation. So, if you cut a tree, you kill a life. Please help trees, they will help you in future. So, thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
505 अगर इसके बाद तैयार रहेंगे D507 अभी आ रहे D505 507 तैयार रहेंगे।